Hi guys, happy Friday. I did a video just before and it didn't come out. There's another plane. I just caught that before. Hold on. It's only a plane, but there was a plane in the exact same spot. Deja vu. I don't know where it is now. But it's over there. Okay. Well, anyway, regardless, let's check out our sky. I was talking to Dolly, but every time I put the video on, oh, hello little birdie, there we go. Every time I put the video on, Dolly would just clam up and not say anything, or she'd do a big squawk. But there looks like there's a storm coming over, maybe, not sure. Over in the distance there, that looks sort of blue, but it's more grey here. I did a video earlier and I can't believe that, well, it just, oh, what have I caught here? Here's a birdie. Very often I can catch them like that, especially as a flock. So quick. That's nice. Oh, okay. Above me I could see the blue hue. There it is. There's my blue hue. Where is it? There's little bits there. I don't know if you could tell. I can with my eyes. It's every now and then. And what happened was I was talking to I'm not sure if it was Come Hither with Heather or All That Fluff and Stuff. She lives up in the Wet Sundays. She was telling me about how randomly her marigolds just died. Now, our marigolds and that, oh, it's a little bird. Where did it go? Oh, it's a little, hold on, let's see if I can get this beautiful little parrot swinging with the leaves. No. It's swinging, and there it is. There it is. A little plap. Beautiful little parrot there. So anyway, she was saying that her marigolds just out of the blue died. Right now, as you guys know, we planted some seeds and all that, and every night I'd water them. They were beautiful, not a problem in the world. And all of a sudden, I came out and I just could not believe this. Now, she said that her marigolds had died. I'll tell you, I'll show you right now. That. Look at that. A marigold. There's two of them. There's the other one there. I'll try to show you this way. It's died. It's random. And the weeds grew real quick, like out of the blue, like just like that. The weeds grew, grass hasn't grown, just the weeds, and my marigolds and all the other little ones, they've just died. Like that. There's no coming back from that. And I don't know how that happened. They were poisoned. It's poison. Something dies that quickly. It's been poisoned. Birds everywhere. I'm trying to catch them. Trying to catch them all, like a Pokemon. Oh, they're over there. They're all coming in to find their favourite branch. Yeah, so I don't know. We all know things are being put in the air and all that, right? We know what's going on, most of us. But, well, if that represents a human being, because it was life, it was thriving. A little bit of eggshell, apparently that's good for them. It wouldn't have killed them at all. And they just died. I was like, what? And then the weeds grew crazy around, which is weird because, you know, why would the weeds grow really big suddenly, yet my marigolds die suddenly? I mean, marigolds were getting rain as well as me watering them, and they were just thriving. They're beautiful. And all of a sudden, bang. So, yeah, anyway. Just sad, you know. Little things like this. You notice? I notice. Alright, I'll show you this if I can. Yeah. Where are they? If I just crouch down, look up, there they are.